Alhamdulillahi wahdahu la sharika lahu wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da. Awabin Salah. Awabin Salah generally refers to the Salah performed after the Maghrib Salah. Awabin Salah comprises of minimum 6 rakats and maximum 20 rakats. It is better to perform these 6 rakats separately from the 2 rakats Sunnah Muakkada. But if it is joined with the 2 rakats Sunnah Muakkada, due to lack of time, its virtue will still be attained. The ahadith have recorded amazing rewards for this salah. Number 1, Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, whoever performs 6 rakats after Maghrib, between which he commits no wrong, will receive the reward of 12 years of worship. Tirmizi. Number 2, Hazrat Ammar bin Yasir radiyallahu anhu reports, I saw my beloved Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam performing 6 rakats after Maghrib, and he would say, whoever performs 6 rakats after Maghrib, his sins would be forgiven even if they amount to the foam of the ocean. Majma'ul Awsat. Number 3, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, whoever performs 20 rakats after Maghrib, Allah will build for him a home in Jannah. Tirmizi. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.